Writing a topic outline. An outline is an important tool for you to use to create your speeches. An outline is like a blueprint that a builder uses when he builds a house. A builder follows a plan in order to avoid mistakes and to have the finished product turn out the way it should. An outline helps you organize your thoughts and prevents you from rambling. A topic outline is a systematic arrangement of ideas using words and phrases for headings and subheadings. In the standard system of subdividing, you mark your main points with Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, etc. Indent the next level of supporting materials underneath and mark with capital letters A, B, C, etc. Go to Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, etc. in the second level subdivision. Use small letters next in the third level subdivision. Use parentheses with numbers and letters if you need to be more detailed. Each time you subdivide a point, you indent. Each heading should have at least 2 subdivisions or none at all. For every A, you need a B. For every 1, you need a 2. Generally, outlines have the following parts. Objectives. General purpose. State whether you are going to inform, to persuade, or to entertain. Specific purpose. State what you plan to inform, to persuade, or to entertain the audience about. Central idea. State in a sentence what you want your audience to remember or the point you want to get across. Title. Your outline should have a title, but you do not actually say the title in your speech. Purposes and central idea. Include these statements in your outline to keep focused on your speaking task. Introduction and conclusion. These elements are so important in a speech that they deserve special attention. These elements are independent of the body of the speech and have their own numbering sequence. Body. Each main point is identified by Roman numerals. Transitions. Transitions are words, phrases, or sentences that help the listener understand the logical connections between ideas and thoughts. Transitions are labeled and placed in parentheses. Transitions are not included in the numbering system of the outline. Bibliography. This section lists the sources that you used in preparing the speech. Use a standard format. Visual aids. Briefly describe the visual aids you plan to use. This completes this learning activity, writing a topic outline.